Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix your Facebook dating profile not being visible. If you're having trouble finding or accessing Facebook dating, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Let's start. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your phone. From the main screen, tap on the menu icon. Depending on your device, this icon is usually at the bottom right or top right corner. Scroll down the menu and look for the See More option. Tap on it and you should see a heart icon labelled Dating. This is where you can access or sign up for Facebook dating. If the icon isn't showing up, don't worry. Let's go through some troubleshooting steps to fix it. First, we'll address any potential issues with the app itself. Close Facebook and open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and find the section for storage. On iPhones, this is under General, then iPhone Storage. If you're using an Android device, look for the App Management or Storage section. Once you find Facebook in the list of apps, select it. For iPhone users, choose the option to offload the app. This keeps your data while refreshing the app files. Once the app is offloaded, tap to reinstall it. For Android users, you can clear the cache or fully uninstall and reinstall the app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is reinstalled or refreshed, open Facebook again and check if the dating icon is now visible. If the issue persists, it could be related to Facebook dating's eligibility criteria. Open a web browser like Safari or Chrome and search for Facebook dating guidelines. Locate the official Facebook help page and review the requirements for using Facebook dating. Here are some key points to check. You must be at least 18 years old, so your date of birth on Facebook should reflect this. If it does not, update it to ensure you meet the age requirement. Your Facebook account must be in good standing, which means it should not have any restrictions or violations in the last 30 days. If your account has had issues, you'll need to wait for it to meet this criterion. Facebook dating is only available in specific countries. Review the list of supported countries on the help page. If your country isn't on the list, the feature will not be available to you. If you have previously deleted a Facebook dating profile, note that you must wait at least 7 days before creating a new one. After verifying these requirements, go back to the Facebook app and check again for the dating icon. If it's still missing, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store and checking for updates to Facebook. If you've followed all these steps and still can't access Facebook dating, it may be a temporary issue on Facebook's end. Consider reaching out to Facebook support for additional assistance. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.